Hi everyone, my name is Eva Grey Katoma from Greatest Card Concept. This is actually my WhatsApp contact. You can actually reach me on this number. You can chat me up on WhatsApp. Okay, these are actually the list of softwares which I've covered on our YouTube channel. They are very much available on that channel. You can go there and then keep yourself busy. Okay, we now teach all of these softwares on our Telegram platform. I will guide you through the process of design. We'll give you the software, guide you on how to install it and actually how to crack it, okay, yourself. Okay, okay. And today I'm going to be showing you how to interpret your distribution board on when you are dealing with your electrical service drawings. Okay, right now, if you have been following, we have actually I've covered the lighting point and then the power point of when you are dealing with electrical servicing service drawings. Okay, on this you can see we have a 5-way distribution board. Okay, you can see we have based on the lighting here, we have our AL, that is for example your building A. Okay, this is light 1. Okay, for light 1, if you come back here, you can see that we counted how many bulbs. We counted up to 10 of these. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You can see it is 10. If you count that of AL2, it's actually also 10. Okay, if you go down to AL5, you have 8 of it. Okay, so can we do that? Let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now if that is correct, that is actually what I actually imputed here. You can see it has its loadings here. I'm going to be explaining on the design of this loading, okay, and then the full load as well. Okay, you can see the cable size. When you are dealing with your lighting, we have 1.5 mm. Okay, when you are dealing with the socket, you can see it is 2.5 mm. Okay, square. When you are dealing with your AC, you can see what we have here. Okay, and then you can see it is 10 10 10. When you are dealing with your socket, you can see it's 20 for your AC socket outlet. You can see here we have 30 of it. And then your switch, when you are dealing with your cooker, okay, when you are dealing with your cooker, you can see here it's actually 45. Okay, then you have that of your water heater. Okay, I'm going to be explaining in detail some of these things on our next video, but before that, I'm just going to be explaining this. You can see here we have our AL1, AL2, AL3, 4, and then 5, because we have it here up to 5 of it. And then your socket, your AP. Okay, you can see we have our socket here is actually 3 of it. Okay, now it is, you can see our AP1 by the time you count. Okay, and then here we have our AC. We have 1 2 3 4 5, and then we have 1 water heater, 1 cooker, and then this is spare. We have 3 spare here. Okay, here you can see the coloring. Here we can see that here is, you have red, yellow, blue. This is your wiring. Okay, for your wires, you can see red, yellow, blue, red, yellow, blue, red, yellow, blue. Okay, I'm going to be explaining this in detail on the next video. Okay, but make sure that you actually visit this channel so as to actually have a better detail of information, a better insight on what we are actually doing. Okay, now here you can see here we have distribution board A. We have a cooker. Here we have your external lighting. Okay, and the rest, these two are actually spare. I'm going to be explaining that in detail in on the next video, okay? But mind you, everything that is actually here is actually gotten from both your lighting point and actually your PowerPoint, okay? You can see we have up to 5 different of lightning here, based on, it is being grouped based on just like the wires, okay, that are actually going to be used on that particular building, okay? So you can see that each on our AL1 we have 10 different bulbs that are actually connected to that wire. On AL2 we have 10 different bulbs, okay? On AL3 we have 10 bulbs. On AL5 we have 8 bulbs, okay? Now this is based on its volt. I'm going to be explaining that on in detail on our next video, okay? You can see the socket here, based on you can see we have 5 sockets that are actually connected together. We have 5 sockets here connected together. This counting is actually from here. If you do this counting, you will see that 1 2 3, okay, 4. We have 4 here, and then it's actually 5. We have 5 of it. Yes, this is the 5th one, which makes it 5. If you count your AP2, it's actually also 5, okay? That is how you go about that. And then you can see our AP3 is actually 4, and then we have 5 different ACs on this building, okay? We have an AC here, okay? We have an AC here, we have an AC here, we have an AC here, okay? There is no AC in the kitchen, okay? So we have 5 ACs. That is why you can see here we have up to 5 different ACs here, okay? And then we have one water heater. If you come to this, your kitchen, this is our water heater. It's actually sorry, not in the kitchen, rather it's actually, water heater should be found on your bedroom, okay? And then your cooker, it's actually one of it on in our kitchen. This is our cooker, okay? That is that. If you love what you have seen, why not give it a thumbs up? Subscribe to this channel, it's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as to get a notification whenever I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, so as to encourage as many that want to have a deeper insight of design, okay? Make sure that you stay safe and you stay blessed. Thank you. All right.